Hello everyone, I am here to show you how to make presentation in Prezi. In order to do that, we need a accessible Prezi account, which can be a paid account or a free account. We also need Adobe Flash Player installed in our computer so we can run Prezi in our browser. So let's begin. Open the browser. Let's go to the login page of Prezi. Here is the Prezi login page. As I already logged in this Prezi account, it will directly lead me to my account. This is the dashboard of Prezi. It leads us to the feature of Prezi next. It is a feature of Prezi. Prezi consists of two different of presentation. By clicking in this arrow, we can see both of them. One of them is Prezi Next and another is Prezi Classic. Prezi Next is little bit advanced. It is more attractive and modern. But as I have a free account, I cannot show you the full feature of Prezi Next. In order to show you it properly, I will go to the Prezi Classic. Now I'm going to make a new presentation by click here in this new presentation option. If you installed your Adobe Flash Player in a correct way, on a fast loading it will ask for the permission to load your Adobe, to allow your Adobe to use, and when you click in this area a dialog box will come up. You have to click allow in order to load Prezi successfully, and then you will see this page. It will promote some latest theme, and all of the theme is loaded when you click this mode option. So you have to choose in order to make a new presentation, or you can start a blank Prezi. So you can choose any theme you want which can be related to presentation. As I have selected, it is marked with blue color, and I want to use this template. Prezi came up with the presentation and the themes. There are lots of features and tools of Prezi. We can see that. First we begin with the frame. It is a circle frame. If I click it, it will add this wall of Prezi. If I want to change it, this is the bracket frame, this is the circle frame, this is the rectangle, and this is the invisible. So clicking in this plus icon will add the frame in my current screen. If I want, I can move it like this, clicking on this hand, or I can delete it. This is the zoom path of Prezi. Prezi particularly doesn't have any kind of slides, but it has the main zoom path focus point. It can focus in particular object or image or text you want to present to your audience. Then what actually Prezi has? Prezi has a big wall. You can do anything in your wall. You can put anything in your wall, but what your audience will see, you have to choose it specifically. In this zoom path point, what you put in your zoom path point will be shown to your audience in order to make a presentation. What you don't put it in here, your audience will not see it. So clicking the home button will take back to your whole wall of your Prezi. If you wanna start your presentation, you can just put anything around your Prezi wall, anywhere. So if I wanna load an image. Click on this insert an image and it will show you the um, file folder. I'm going to click in this warning image. The image is loading. When it's done loading, I can move it like this. When I'm holding this button, I can change its size by this plus button and reduce its size by this negative button, minus button you can say. So I can do it by this corner of this area, changing the sizes. I can also rotate it, so do whatever you want. You can replace it, you can crop the image, you can use many kind of effect. These are little bit advanced. If you can want, you can explore them on your own, but as a basic feature I will not go through this. So putting anything you work with it, what you need, you can put anything in your Prezi wall before you organize it. It is very much open site, open world of your own creation. So put anything you want, your text or image, anywhere. After that you have to choose what you want to show you to your audience. Okay, about this path point, zoom path point of Prezi, as you can see, I was zoom out from the all path point, and this is the total overview of Prezi. You can add your title here. Clicking on this box will let you edit it. Okay, my topic should be code wheel. So this is the type of your writing line. This is the size changing options. Clicking this small icon will get them smaller, big icon to get them bigger. This is the changing the color. This is the changing the font style. I am going to change the font style to an interesting. This is from where you are. So this is how it works. You can do the changing of your size of your lines like this. You can rotate it then, like the image I have already shown. If you do something, you can do it. So if you've done something that unwanted, you can do undo, this undo button, or Ctrl Z. So the question mark is gone, as I already done it, and you can redo again. The Prezi actually save automatically, and it's have automatic saving feature, and you can save your own by manually. You can insert different type of images, symbols and shapes. If I click it, it will show different type of symbols and shapes which can be usable on Prezi. This is the type of symbols or shapes you want to use. It can be a drawn or sketched symbol or shape. It can be a modern iconized symbol on shape, or cute, or photographic, stickers. When I'm going to click it, all these icons and shapes will be loaded up, and you can do whatever you want to make your creative own presentation. So in order to close it, you have to click here. Again, I'm going to go to this toolbox. You can add YouTube videos. If you have anything in your favorite list, you can have it here. Charts of Prezi is a pro feature which I don't have. Layout will open up different type of frames. We don't only have this type of 4 frames. we have more frames in Prezi, which can lead us to this. Multi-frame can be found in Prezi. It's 1 frame, 2 frame, 3 frame, 5, 6 different shapes, different styles, anything you want. In insert, we can see draw arrow. You can draw your arrow anywhere you want, which is very simple. You can move it, you can rotate it, you can change the color, you can make it much more large or thick, and I can delete it. You can draw line, you can highlight some texts. Most interesting features of Prezi are you can add background music. You can even select a path by clicking here to add voice over the path. You can add PDF file or video, which I already have in your computer and offline. You can also add PowerPoint. So this is the basic feature of insert of tools, and you can customize your current theme, which is little bit advanced. Clicking on this option will change the font and color of your themes. And if you want to download our presentation, you have to click this share button and download as portable Prezi or download as portable PDF. You can share it, present it remotely, share and Facebook. So this was all about my introduction video of Prezi. I just showed you the very basic idea of Prezi, how are we gonna use it. And thanks for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any problem, comment on this video. And if you want to see more and watch more video of mine based on this or other topics, you can subscribe me. Thank you very much.